Sorry.
What are you drawing, Jin?
Better than it. It's skills.
She's doing tentacles, not testicles.
Tentacles.
That's not a machine at all.
Fingering.
What they're trying to do is give you an overall flavour for the boat. So if it's so it's a strider, what does that mean? It's going to be skinny, it's going to be bony. It's we'll generate 5 numbers and do a dice thing and you can randomly pick up. So for example, 14 for the head is wired. Or not, I suppose. 20 for the flavour, it's a ruster, the rusty old robot. Wired. Oh no, weird, sorry, weird.
Little robots or spaceship robots. Visit the people in the department.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah, I'm done getting Chinese. What? That's cool.
their eyes. Legs. And the flavour is bangarang. I have no idea what bangarang means. What does it invoke?
Bang-a-rang.
You need to know for this?
What's that? Fully.
Rocky beer.
Rocky.